Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and yes, people, we got a nice watch face for you all to check out. This one is going to be more so geared toward the runner and you, or if you're into casual wear, this one is going to be nice. Now, I believe I paid $1.09 in the Gear Manager store, worthy of a download. The name of the watch face is called Digital Fitness. You are going to get a nice look in the AOD mode for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. When the watch face is on, definitely this is a dressed down super casual watch face. Not bad to wear on any given day. But once we look at it, you're going to get your date at the top. You're going to get where you can go into your text messages, get your weather, settings, heart rate, go into your calories burned. You got your S health, you got a moon phase in the middle, and you also can set an alarm. So definitely, I thought this was a good look for a watch face. Not bad at all. Now you get your steps down at the bottom. I did pretty good today, although I was cruising along. Not bad at all. Now this is just step status information so far as how much of your step goal you have completed. Up at the top is going to be info on your battery life. Not a bad look at all. You can go into your phone, make a phone call. You can find your phone as well. And yes, it is in the active, so if you need to go into your weather, you can. Same thing with settings. Go in, tweak your watch. Also, you could tap on your step information and it'll bring up your step status. So the things that you need to get into, you'll be able to get into with no problem. And if I tap here, I could change the theme around the dial so far as my shortcuts are concerned. Not a bad look. Look at this. Not bad. We're going to cycle through all of them, give you an opportunity to see the different colors, the unique colors that this watch face has to offer, which I thought was pretty cool. I thought it wasn't a bad look at all. But what do you think at the end of the day? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.